This is a complete billing system for a cafe, juice bar, or small restaurant. Order entry, a printable invoice, and a sales dashboard, built entirely in a Google Sheet. No app, no developer, no app script, and no payment hardware to plug in. Start with your menu. One row per item. With its price, that's the entire setup. Add a new item anytime by typing a new row. Raise a price for the weekend, and every part of the sheet that uses it updates instantly. The order screen, the invoice, and the dashboard all read their prices from this one list, so there's never a second place to keep them in sync. This is where staff enter orders. Pick an item from the searchable dropdown. Even with dozens of products on the menu, typing a few letters finds it fast, and its price fills in on its own. Set the table, add a quantity, and the line total calculates itself. Here's the clever part. This checkbox, new order, is the only thing staff have to think about. Leave it unchecked, and the item joins the same bill as the row above. Tick it, and a new bill number starts, with a running total that updates live as more items are added. Rows color band by bill automatically, so even a busy counter can see at a glance which items belong to which customer, without anyone typing a bill number by hand. Every bill needs a printable invoice, and this tab always shows the most recent one, pulled in automatically the moment you tick new order. Company name, logo, items, quantities, and the total, ready to print or save as a PDF. There's even a discount line, so a loyalty offer or a manager's adjustment is one number, not a recalculation. No copy-pasting, no manual invoice numbering. And at the end of the day, the owner doesn't have to add anything up by hand. This dashboard shows total sales for however many days you choose. Just change one number, and a chart of your top-selling items by revenue. Both charts pull straight from the order log underneath, so the moment a new bill is entered at the counter, the numbers here are already right. A menu, an order screen with a genuinely clever bill tracking trick, a printable invoice, and a live sales dashboard, all in one free Google Sheet, and all of it rebuildable by you from scratch if you ever want to change how it works. Make your own copy today and start running your counter without buying a single piece of software.